In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect your Facebook Meta Pixel ID to your Hostinger website builder with this quick tutorial. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, you'll want to start by heading to the Hostinger dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website, and from here, you'll have access to all the tools you need. Next, look for the Websites option. This is where all your websites are listed, and it's the starting point for making any modifications. Click on this option to proceed. The platform will display a list of your existing websites, and from here, you'll need to select the website you want to edit. Look for the Edit Website option and click on it to access the editing interface. Once you're in the website editor, find the More tab. This is typically located towards the top of the screen and serves as a gateway to advanced settings and features. Clicking on More will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will want to select Integrations. Integrations are tools or functions that you can add to your website, and this is how you're going to connect your Facebook Meta Pixel. After clicking on Integrations, you'll see a list of available options. Look for the Facebook Pixel option and click on it. The Facebook Pixel is a piece of analytics code that allows you to track visitor activity on your site, which is essential for understanding your audience and enhancing your marketing strategies. Once you've chosen the Facebook Pixel option, you'll be prompted to enter your Pixel ID. At this point, it's important to ensure you've got your Pixel ID handy. If you're not sure where to find this, it's within your Facebook Ads Manager. Once you have it, carefully type the Pixel ID into the designated field. Double check for any typos, as any mistakes could prevent accurate data tracking. After entering your Pixel ID, it's time to save your progress. Look for the Save button, typically located nearby, and click it to ensure your Pixel ID is stored correctly on your website. But you're not done just yet. You have to update your website so the changes take effect. Find the Update Website button, usually found at the top or bottom of the editor interface, and click on it. This step is crucial, as it will publish the changes you've made live to the internet. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Facebook Meta Pixel ID to your Hostinger website. This integration will enable you to better track visitor interactions and can provide powerful insights to help grow your business. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger support for assistance. Thank you for tuning in and happy tracking.